In your life, one question surely would have crossed your mind. That is, what is meditation? How to meditate? Let's learn how to meditate through this video. Namaste. My name is Vajira Dorjey, and today I am going to talk about what is meditation and how to meditate, how to make meditation a part of your life. Let's call this video the first step, the first baby step to make meditation practice a part of your life. If you are new to this channel, most welcome, and would like to remind you to subscribe this channel if it is informational to you. How to meditate? I can think of the first three steps. The first step can be finding a place to meditate. The second can be finding a time to meditate. And third, let's say, settling to meditate. The first point is place, time, and settle. Or let's discuss about the time first. If you want to make meditation a part of your life, you have to find and schedule in your calendar, schedule in your day. When are you going to meditate? For me, morning is best. That suits me, but that doesn't mean I only meditate during morning. I meditate throughout the day whenever there are opportunities. So let's make a point that you meditate for 15 minutes every day. 15 minutes in 24 hours, that is what you have to dedicate to make meditation a part of your life. So that is the time. And to find this time, it can be the morning, it can be afternoon during your lunch break, or it can be evening. It can be any time that suits you, but the point is to meditate for 15 minutes. And more, to start it even slow and small, you can divide this 15 minutes into 5 or 10 or 5 or whatever is okay to you. But the point is to meditate and sit and relax for 15 minutes. One point to clear is, when you add meditation as a part of your life, it is not another checklist. It is not another responsibility which you feel burden of. I want you to think of this 15 minutes of meditation as a break, a relaxation that you have to do in your 24 hours. So when you sit for meditation, that means you are taking a break and you are relaxing. Okay, so let's say you are meditating after you wake up, after you refresh, meditate for 15 minutes. If it not, meditate for 5 minutes, meditate for 10 minutes, and then again during the lunch break or any time during the day when you close your eyes and you relax. So the time is 15. And the second thing is place. Now place can be any place, but in the beginning it is better if you find a corner in your house or any corner where you can sit on a mat or a cushion, and it can be a place in your bedroom. If you are sharing a room, it can be your bed as well. So when I wake up in the morning after I fresh, or sometimes even without fresh, I just wake up on my bed and then smile and then try to feel the sensation and then start my meditation. That's how easy it is. So the place can be any place. And one more beautiful place that is very practical is commute. When you commute, for example, if you are a person who commute to your work, who travel to your work every day, then a metro or train or bus can be a good place to practice your meditation, where you just take your place and then begin practicing. Anytime if I happen to travel by a train or a bus or a metro or by a flight, and if the meditation crosses through my mind, then what I do is I just look around at the people and close my eyes, smile, and then wish, may all these people in the train whom I don't know, who are at different level in their life, who are from different background, may all these people be peaceful and happy. peaceful and happy. May they reach their destination safely. And then again feeling happy about it and becoming aware of your sensation and the breathing. So this is another commute meditation. This can be a better place to meditate, to start meditation. It can be a chair, sitting on a chair. It can be sitting on a bench in a park. It can be at your workplace if you have a short break of 5-10 minutes, closing your eyes and then relaxing. So number one, the time, that is 15 minutes during any time, and you can also divide this into 5, 5, 5. And then the second thing is the place. You fix a place, but it is always better if you stick to one place and one time for longer practice, for more benefits. And the third one, let's say settling. Now as you have found a time and you have found a place, it can be this place. So let's try doing settling right now. It can be sitting on a chair as you listen. It can be on a bed. It can be on any corner of the house. Become aware of this moment as you begin to practice meditation. Become aware of your leg touching the ground, your bum touching the ground. If you are sitting on a chair, your hand on the armrest, on the laps. Become aware of this body. As you become aware, you would realize that you need to straighten your back, straighten your neck, and then take 3 deep inhale and exhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. And as you now become aware of this moment, slowly, gently close your eyes. Feel the sensation of touching the ground. Feel the sensation of your hand on your lap, your backbone being straight, the sensation of warmness, coolness. And as you breathe in, you will have the sensation of your chest rising and contracting. As you breathe in, your chest expands. As you breathe out, contract. It can be on your abdomen. The point is to relax. As you breathe in, expand. As you breathe out, contract. As you breathe down, breathe in, you can feel the rise of your abdomen. As you breathe out, contract. Breathe in and breathe out. Become aware of the sensation of breathing, rise and fall, expand and contract. This is called relaxing. This is called settling. This is one of the few steps of practicing meditation. As you breathe in and breathe out, after a few moments, you will realize that there's a thought passing by. You are no more aware of your sensation, but you are thinking. Become aware of thinking and come back to your sensation of rising and falling. In breath and out breath. In breath and out breath. As you settle more, as you become more calmer and peaceful, you will feel the breathing in and breathing out at your nostril or above the area of your upper lips. You will feel a sensation of breathing in and breathing out. If you feel okay, if you don't feel, continue practicing with the expand and contract of your abdomen. Smile as you breathe in and breathe out. Relax as you breathe in and breathe out. Become aware that you are settling into the practice of meditation. Becoming aware of this only moment. See, do you feel peaceful? Sorry to interrupt, but I want you to slowly open your eyes and come back to the discussion. So this is called settling. So I want you to remember this 3 points. The first one is to make a time, that is 15 minutes anytime during the day, and you can also make a partition of that. And then second thing is to find a place. It can be anywhere in your room. The best is your bed or any corner where you can sit with a small mat or on a sofa. And if you are lucky enough and able to go to a meditation center or any other spiritual center where there's peace, you can go there and practice. You will feel this sense of calmness and peace even faster. And then when you do this, this is called settling. This is not yet the complete meditation. This is the start. This is the baby step of meditation. So please remember this 3 points, and it can vary for different people, different practices. This is what I do, and if it benefits you, you can practice and share with others. But I want to stress on few important things. Meditation is not something that happens very fast. Meditation is a very slow and small process. You have to take small steps if you want to go in a longer practices. And another thing you have to be aware is never aim for perfection. You are not here to be, perfect. You are here to feel the sensation of natural. Thing has to happen naturally. And when I talk about perfection, sometimes you can miss on time, sometimes you can miss a meditation practice for a day. So it should not disturb. You know that you have to come back again and then again continue. You don't have to be aiming for perfection. The more important thing is you have to be feeling relaxed. You have to be feeling the sense of contentment and peaceful and calmness. That is what it is important for you in the beginning. So keep this in your mind. No need to go for perfection. Slow and small. So that is what I have to say for today to wrap up this video. And thank you for practicing and coming back. I have made a video on why meditation, what are the benefits of meditation, and I have expressed a story about why meditation. So that is very necessary that you check the other video that is there below, that was recorded previous this week. And when you meditate, you can think of Buddha in the beginning. What is the posture of the Buddha? How he is sitting? How is his leg? How peaceful is his smile? So these are few things that can help you in the beginning to understand how to meditate and what is meditation. So with this, I would like to wrap this video. It is pleasure talking to you and pleasure practicing with you. Till then, Vajira Dorjey. Namaste.